If you've ever been interested in getting a geothermal heating and cooling system, but the price or size required to install one has hindered you, then we have some information for you. Let's talk price first. While it may be true that geothermal systems have a higher upfront cost than traditional HVAC heating and cooling systems, there are two things you ought to know about that can make that cost significantly smaller. First, know that as of the making of this video, you can get 30% of the amount you spend on purchasing and installing a geothermal heat pump system back in federal income taxes. Second is to know that your state may offer a rebate on purchasing and installing a geothermal heat pump system. In Indiana, for example, there is currently a fund of $500,000 that you could apply for. The amount of money you will receive will range depending on the size of the system itself, but you could receive up to a maximum of $2,000. Next, let's talk size. Geothermal systems come in various fashions, but if your property's lot size is a concern, then this is where vertical geothermal systems come into play. As the name suggests, this installation style has the piping installed vertically rather than horizontally. The number of pipes you will need will vary depending on the heating and cooling requirements of your home, but with there only needing to be 10 to 20 feet between each pipe and 100 to 400 feet of depth for each, the spatial efficiency of this installation method should alleviate any concerns regarding size. At C&J, we also have drill rigs such as our new Versa Drill V12, which are the perfect tool for any tight geothermal installation. The V12 drilling rig is the most compact rig in the Versa Drill fleet, so we can easily navigate the tightest job sites to get in and out fast. If any of this information has made you more curious about having your own vertical geothermal heating and cooling system installed, then make sure to give us a call at 317-852-WELL or visit our website at cjforwater.com/geothermal for more information.